Welcome back to Tech Talks, the podcast where we dive deep into the fascinating world of tech and robotics. I'm your host today, and we have an exciting episode lined up as we explore the 2024-2025 First Tech Challenge SDK, a powerful toolkit that robotic enthusiasts are using to program their competition robots. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a curious newcomer, there's something in this episode just for you. Let's kick things off with a little overview. The FTC SDK provides the tools necessary to create an Android app that controls a competition robot. But here's the kicker. It's not just for the seasoned programmers. If you're new to the robotics scene, there's a user-friendly FTC blocks tutorial to guide you. It's sort of like learning the basics of new language, building your foundations before diving into the complexities of the written code. Now, speaking of user-friendliness, let's talk about the nuts and bolts of getting started. To jump into programming, you'll need Android Studio 2021.2 or later. I mean, think about it. It's like having the right tools for a DIY project. You wouldn't start building a treehouse without a hammer, right? And here's a fun fact. You don't even have to be a Java expert. For beginners, the FTC Blocks tool provides an intuitive interface where you can drag and drop blocks to build your code. Plus, even proficient Java programmers can benefit from starting with blocks before transitioning to more advanced tools. It's a nice way of easing into the programming world. So, what do you do once you've got your tools downloaded and your blocks ready? Let's get into the exciting part, downloading the project. You can either clone the repository using Git or download the zip file directly. Both options ensure you have all the latest features, including built-in support for various hardware sensors and control systems. Not to mention the enhanced debugging tools that make your life so much easier as you troubleshoot potential issues, because we all know bugs are part of the programming journey. Now, let's not skip over the community aspect. If you ever hit a snag, the First Tech Challenge community site is a fantastic resource. It's like having an army of fellow enthusiasts ready to help you with questions or share tips and tricks. Just imagine it. You're there, elbow deep in code, and a community member swoops in to help you sort out that pesky error. It's teamwork at its finest, without the need for physical robots. On the more technical side, the FTC SDK continues to innovate with enhancements in version 10.0, including support for newer sensors and improved functionality for existing tools. There's something thrilling about exploring how technologies like TensorFlow are integrated into this platform. Although they've removed support for older models, it means that the tech is becoming leaner, meaner, and more effective for modern competition. Let's take a moment here to reflect on the creative possibilities. Imagine designing a robot to navigate a complex obstacle course with precision, or even implementing object recognition to sort items effectively, like a robotic sorting hat of sorts. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. How do you envision robotics changing the world in the next few years? With these evolving tools and technologies, the future of robotics seems vast and full of promise, and we just might be at the forefront of that exciting change. So that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, whether you're programming for fun or preparing for a competition, the world of robotics is yours to explore. Make sure to check out the FTC SDK repository for more details on getting started. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.